the song that I forgot earlier. I married me a wife, she's been trouble all my life. Run me out in the cold rain and snow. Run me out in the cold rain and snow. She came into the room, she had a fatal gloom. Said I'm going where the winds don't blow. Said I'm going where those chilly winds don't blow. Came into the room, combing back her pretty hair. Came down the stairs, combing back her pretty yellow hair. Then I'm going where the climate suits my clothes. Said I'm going where the climate suits my clothes. I'm going where chilly winds don't blow. I'm going where chilly winds don't blow. She's been trouble all my life. Run me out in the cold rain and snow. Run me out in the cold rain and snow. Goddamn snow. It was her horse. She froze to death. She blamed it on me. I didn't make the weather go that cold. This part of the story ain't true. I just made up as a joke about the horse, but the rest part. Run me out in the cold rain and snow. Thank you.